It's too early. So a tenant just checked out yesterday evening. We're woken up at 6:30 to go change over the bills on that property and check everything is okay in the house for the deposit to be returned to them. Yeah. Ooh, lunch is getting ready. So we make lunch so we don't have to go out and waste time when we're renovating a house. And this is just chicken something sandwich. And that is our couscous. Let's go. Liz, I think the car needs to be defrosted. Yeah, it does. I have to do this again. Start climate control. Yep, you can't see this part. Okay, let's take one piece and lay it perfectly there. Ready, let's go. Nice and warm. Okay, we're just getting set to go now to Nottingham to check the checkout inventory for our tenants to see if there's any damages and exactly what there is to do. Oh yeah, how could I forget? We've got loads of repair things that were explained to us from the agent, so we got them ready as well. Okay, just arrived. Okay, we've already visited this property before this actually, just to report meter readings and whatnot. And we
got a bit hasty as well and started
we started ripping off stuff off the walls, so we destroyed the decor that was here because we were going to paint it nice and white and fresh. And yeah, I'm going to repair the bottom step seems to be a bit loose, so I've taken off the carpet there to then strengthen it, and just clearing rubbish from upstairs, and that's all dropped from the bin bag. Gonna have to move out, remove all that wallpaper. Yeah. To be fair, it's just on the chimney breast, and these have been partially painted. So this property was previously rented, and to be honest, it's in good condition. But they try to paint the walls, and it's not enough coats. It's very ghosty here and there, but at least they primed the walls for us. Bullet. Whoa. Bullet. Yes. 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 Good. All that wallpaper up as well. It's all that mismatch. I can't remember what this property looked like. That's probably glued on this. Yeah. Take it off as well. Oh no. The whole fireplace came off. Now you can take it off. I think, is this the decor we put, Liz? Or they put? They put that. Oh. So just remove it, it's just shrinking the room.
And so they did just that.
Cool, move out. You gonna put it back? No, just leave it. You can move it out. What's wrong?
You take it out, it's heavy.
How's it going? Looking like a vow. Completely not. Still at it. Alright, just taking off any little flaky bits here, and then we're gonna basically seal it down so it stays in one place.
It's not actually bonded.
Liz, you haven't got a bigger scraper than that?
Yeah, this blind don't work properly.
Great, she renovates houses, but she can't even sort out a blind. It's not done yet.
Oh, Jonathan, can you remove that?
Huh?
Can you remove that for me, that painting, please?
God knows what's covered up here. What's that?
Oh, nothing.
Just the wall. Okay. Got to take out these wall plugs. That was easy. Number one. This one's stubborn. Got it. Better if you can see it, right? There you go. All of it taken out. Remove the back part of the trunking now.
It's one step at a time.
Take the carpet out. We'll just check the last step here. Okay. Step is not as strong.
Genius.
Okay, that's what we got up to. Just a short day today. And the other room, which is here. That too.
Next video, subscribe not to miss out.
And I want to make sure I don't get too proud. That's it for the first coat. My handbag. Bye for now.